G'day trainers, Beware the Bung here. Just got a Dubwool Champions Path V Collectors box to open. Now, today's video isn't just about opening up the box, but it is also about how I kind of keep my cards. So from protecting like your real rare cards to how I protect my anything from rares to reverse holos and then holographics. So I'm going to take everyone through my process and how I try to protect my cards, because I am very meticulous in the way I do try to keep them in great condition. So hopefully, if you're looking to get into it, these little tips can help you protect your Pokemon cards as well. So tune in, and yeah, we'll be hoping to get some luck. Hopefully we get to use our top loaders for a really nice rare card, but we'll see how we go. Alright guys, so got 4 packs, nice art set. So there's our promos. Now, I mean, everyone's different. Yeah, the promos, I don't know, I don't get too fussed about. Alright, let's crack straight into it. Let's hope for some luck, lady luck. Righto. Roly Coley, Inkay Yastinke, Nickit, Hatena, Solizipede, Energy, Sharpedo, Lifeheart, Rotom-Phone, Carvana Reverse, and a Lucario. Righto. So, a Lucario is obviously ultra rare. As you can see, a V card. Now, for a V card, depending on the V card's value, I'll generally just use one of the sleeves that kind of comes with your ETBs. I'll just slap it in there. Now, if you're really particular, you could put a perfect sleeve on it, and the perfect sleeve fits on nice, so then you can also put it in there. For my reverse rare, I'll just use a normal penny sleeve. Now, these are pretty loose, unlike the perfect fit, but for a reverse, I find it's good enough. So that's what I like to do for them two particular cards. And hopefully we get to show what I might do for an even rarer card. And 6. Righto. Nickit, a Roly Coley, and a Scraggy Boys, Galarian Laloon, Weedle, Energy, Trainer Go Train, Absol, Milo, Potion, and a Machamp. Righto, so even though there's always holos in Champions Path, I've been using the same sleeves for the holos. In like that. Easy done. And once again, reverse foil or holo, whatever you want to call them, straight in there. Alright. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Righto. Carvana, Ekans, Nickit, Roller Collar, a Scraggy Boys, Energy, Trainer, Go Train, Off you go. Great ball. Suspicious food tin. Oh, fighting reverse. Very nice. Come on! Yes! Come on, yes! Come on! Oh, that is exactly what we want in this opening. I don't have this one for the set, and looking at it, beautiful card. Gardevoir VMAX, hyper rare. Oh. Alright, so before I sleeve it up, I just want to kind of check the centering. Looks pretty good. Corners and stuff look alright. No, just a bit of dust. There's our centering on the front. Yeah, it looks alright. So, the card of this kind of value, I chuck on a perfect fit sleeve. Now, see how there's no room in there for the card to move around or anything. It's just in there quite tight and firm. So then I can go, righto, now the top's sealed there, so down here's open. So I'll put that open end into my next sleeve, and that way there's nothing going to get that top bit there, and you're also protected down the bottom. Now for this, if it's not going in my binder, which this one will, but if it wasn't, I'd then, for something of this value, I'd chuck in a top loader. Now, for your top loader, you just kind of stick it in, light taps. I see some people really bang it. I'm not like that. So there you go. In a top loader. Now, if you are selling them or sending them away to get graded or whatever, that's the kind of process that I'd go to store it, to sell it. I'd then look at, some bubble wrap and stuff, and wrapping it up to, keep it safe. But as far as that goes, that's how I'd go about that. Now, I am collecting these energies as well, so I am going to put this in a perfect sleeve as well, because I really want these in immaculate condition, and I don't have the fighting one, so very nice. Oops, sorry, Lucario. Now, I actually got this Wooloo box off a fan of the show, Marcus, who is a massive Dungeons and Dragons fan, and he reached out to me and gave me this Wooloo box to crack open. The conditions were if I got a Charizard that I'd give it to him. So maybe it's lucky I got that one. I would like to see the Charizard though. Alright, last pack. It's been a very good Wooloo box. Hyper rare, a Lucario, which I think is probably one of the rarer Vs in the set, and a reverse energy as well. So overall, a very, very nice Wooloo box. Righto, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. Righto, let's have it. Trainer, go train. Throw that Pokeball through the air. Scraggy, Purloin, Solizipede, Roly-Coly, Energy, Machoke, Trainer, go train, Charbok. Oh, another Energy, you beauty. Beautiful green. And another Ultra. And that is Duraludon. So that is an absolute awesome Wooloo box. Oh, what pulls. That's fantastic, guys. Chuck that there. Can't remember if I've got a leaf energy, but I'll do the same. I'll put the perfect fit sleeve on it. On it goes. Alright. And that's pretty much it. I mean, we got a great example of all the different options there, which opening 4 packs, you never know really what you're going to get. But yeah, that's awesome. Trainers, I hope this is helpful because obviously I believe looking after your cards is crucial to holding their value. And if you want to keep them for a long time and keep them in this kind of condition, you need to look after them and keep them well stored. So hopefully these tips are helpful, and that's it. Trainer, go train. I'm Beware the Bung. I'll be me, you be you. Catch up. Alright guys, now feel free to like and follow or subscribe, and also feel free to watch my most recent video, which will pop up on screen, and the YouTube recommended video. Alright, thanks trainers, go train.